Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone apps not downloading. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to download any kind of app in your iPhone and not be able to download, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, easily you can download apps. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, make sure that you have sign in your Apple ID in your iPhone, and guys, after signing in you need to go back, and guys, after this you need to open your App Store, and guys, after this you need to click on this profile, main profile, and guys, after this here you can see I have signed in with my Apple ID here. So guys, if you do not have sign in, then guys, simply you need to sign in your Apple ID, and guys, after signing in, here is the option of personalized recommendations. So guys, you need to click on it, and guys, after this you need to click on clear app usage data and click on clear, and guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download any kind of app from here. And guys, still not download, then guys, simply you need to click on your main profile again, and guys, after this you need to sign out your Apple ID from here, and guys, after sign out you need to sign in again on your App Store. And guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys, simply you need to open your settings, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of screen time. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, after this scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys, after this first one option is iTunes and App Store purchased. So guys, you need to click on it, and here is the option of installing apps. So guys, make sure that it is clicked on allow. So guys, if it is clicked on don't allow, then you need to make allow, and guys, after this you need to go back, and guys, after doing this you need to here is the option of content restrictions. So guys, you need to click on it, and guys, wait for its opening, and guys, after this here is the option of apps. You need to click on it, and guys, make sure that it is clicked on allow all. So guys, if not clicked, then guys, you need to check this allow all, and guys, after this you need to go back, and guys, after doing this settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, simply you need to open your settings, and guys, after this you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, click on software update, and guys, make sure that you are using latest iOS version. So guys, if you have any kind of update on your iPhone in this tab, so guys, simply you need to update your iPhone from here, and guys, after doing update you need to go back, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, simply you need to click on general again, scroll it down, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. And guys, after doing checking all the systems, then your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download any kind of app on your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.